In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free Wix website for your business. First, head over to Wix.com and click Get Started. If you are new to the platform, you will need to create an account using your email address and a password. The good news is that no credit card is required, so you can get started completely free. After signing up, Wix will ask who you are creating the website for, such as yourself or your business. Choose the option that best fits your situation because this helps Wix tailor the setup experience to your needs. Next, you'll choose how you want to build your website. If you want a faster, more guided setup, you can use the AI Website Builder. With this option, you simply chat with the AI, describe your business, and Wix will generate a customized website foundation for you in just a few minutes. This can be a great choice if you want a quick starting point without designing everything manually. If you prefer more control from the beginning, click the option to set up without chat. Then search for your specific business type, like a cookie shop, Italian restaurant, or consulting business. After a few seconds, Wix will take you to your dashboard. From there, click Design Site and choose a pre-built, professionally designed template that fits your brand and style. Once you find one you like, select it and click Edit. When the template opens in the Wix editor, you can begin customizing your site using the drag and drop interface. This is one of Wix's biggest strengths because it makes website editing feel simple and visual. Double-click on any text to change the wording, font, color, or size. You can also click on images to replace them with your own brand photos or select visuals from Wix's free media library. To organize your website, open the Pages menu on the left side. Here, you can add, remove, or rearrange pages, such as Home, About Us, Services, and Contact. This helps you create a structure that makes sense for your visitors and keeps your site easy to navigate. Before publishing, switch to the mobile view from the top menu. This is important because many people will visit your website from a smartphone, so you want to make sure everything looks clean and professional on smaller screens. You can also add business features by opening the Wix App Market from the left-hand menu. From there, you can install free tools like Wix Bookings for appointments, Wix Chat for live visitor conversations, or Wix Forms for customer inquiries. Once you are happy with the layout, click Publish in the top right corner of the editor. Wix will prompt you to choose a free Wix domain, and after that, your website will officially be live on the web. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.